Okay, so I figured out a good vantage point to film this from. So here we go. I'm gonna jack this up, and I'm taking a lot of weight off the actual jack stand over in the background, just so you know. And as Parker CKY says, this is a little bit dangerous, I guess, or something. So be careful. He recommends you put 2 jack stands under there, and I would too recommend it, although I'm not actually doing it. But I'm a little nervous about that. So, as you can see, I'm trying to get this handle in there between that part. So, where did my sledge go? So, as he suggests, I'll give it a little tap, get this handle in there, nice and tight. I'll give it another jack up so it's not going in that easily. Yeah. So, obviously, as I'm lifting this up, it's not like a one-to-one relationship where this is not separating like straight out. So I'm trying to fit this handle up in there. Okay, yeah, now it's going in. Alright, maybe it's not going in that great. I'm going to try and jack it up some more. Okay. Now I think it's in there kind of tight. Yeah, it's in there. Hopefully that... Oh crap, you got none of that on video. Well, sorry. There goes the handle. Alright, so there's the handle. I'm a terrible cameraman, I know. Anyway, so there's my socket sticking out here. And the handle is stuck in between those points. Alright, sorry about that terrible camera job, but I can block this up. Get better footage. Okay, so obviously that's right at the top of your screen. That handle is jammed in there. And what I'm going to do is release the jack all at once. And the weight, like I said, well, I just explained what's going to happen. Hopefully. That loud pop was hopefully, yep, it worked. Yep, you can see. So this came loose of this part. That worked beautifully, again. So I had the thing jammed between here and here, and when they try to compress together, they just push this one down. So, that worked. Now I'm going to try to get this bad boy off. And, I don't know. Hopefully that won't be a problem. I'm just going to release this nut and then pound on the bottom of this, and it should force it up through there. And then after that, I'm going to get the spindle out of this thing. Maybe I could even do that now, I don't know. Yeah, actually I should have done it just before I did this. Well, here. So the thing's loose now, so that was the hard part. So I'm going to, why don't I just jack this up again? Sorry about the camera crap. Yeah. So I'm just raising this back up so that the knuckle is still held in place. So it just kind of gives it a secure place to stand. So now the bottom's not loose. Now I'm going to try and get this loose, this spindle nut. So what all the videos and everything says is, okay, well this is just in there with friction, so you just it should slide right off or whatever once it's once it's all loose, or just give it a tap with a hammer. They even suggest a rubber mallet, but I could not get mine loose. And so this is the point where I use this tool where I bolt that down with the lug nuts, then I advance this bolt here into the center of that spindle, and obviously since this is here, what it's doing is it's pushing that spindle into, and therefore releasing it from that hub, this whole thing, Alright, so I'm going to take a look at either doing that, yeah, I'm just going to do that now.